Hi guys and girls, welcome back to my channel and Happy New Year. It's 2021 and I hope you all are healthy and you hopefully will stay healthy. Today we do something very exciting. We go shopping, and not in town because every shop is closed. We shop on the ALLEN&HEATH website and I want to show you how to acquire in the correct way an add-on. We buy a compressor.
All right, let's go shopping. Oh, it's exciting. Okay, first of all, you need to go to the ALLEN&HEATH shop site, and you can just Google ALLEN&HEATH shop, and let's see, there it is, ALLEN&HEATH shop. And we want to shop for the SQ5, so it is important that you go in this area to SQ5 if you have an SQ5, and if you have an SQ6 and so on, you see what the thing is. Add-ons for SQ5, and we go to the single add-ons. All right, let's do that. And we want to go for the 16 VU compressor limiter. This is the predecessor of the other one here of the 16T. And I don't have it, so I need it. All right, so I clicked here, I added it to the charts, and I'll go to my checkout. It's pretty easy, you see. Yes, the address is correct. Continue. Payment, yes. The only thing, there's only one pay method. You can't use PayPal, you can't use the other things, just your credit card is valid. Okay, you accept, of course, all terms. You say continue, and you use a card, a new card, which is confirm. So, processing the payment. Let's see, finalizing the order. That looks great. Your order has been placed and successful. Yes. Now I've purchased the add-on. Now I need to go to my account. I'll go to downloads. There they are. And one thing I need right now is come on, serial number. So my serial number is and then hit generate key. Ah, look here, serial number do not match. What did I do wrong? 7, 8. No. Okay, generate key. Let's try it again. Oh, it worked. And there, now you have your upgrade key. This upgrade key, oh, I've forgotten to switch on my board. I need to do that. And this is the upgrade key you can now insert into your board, and then you should be able to use all your new plugins. Quite easy. All right, here are all the things. If you go to the utility button of your SQ that I purchased already, you see, they are checked and some are not checked. Those are, of course, the ones. Beg your pardon, it's a little bit corona over here. And you see, the 16 VU compressor is not purchased right now, so let's go there and try to enter the new add-on key. You see here, enter add-on key. I will do that, and let me give it a try. Should be okay. Feature added. The 16 VU compressor is now available. Yes, baby, I like it. I'm very keen to see what this one will sound like. I like all the other ones for their individual flavors, and I hope this one gives me a lot of pleasure as well in this times of COVID. Yes. Oh, it's you again. So, we don't need that anymore. Not anymore today.
And I hope you like it. This is how you can purchase your new add-on. And remember, the add-on is valid for 1 SQ unit. That's because you generate the key with your SQ ID, basically. So if you have got more than 1 SQs, the lucky bastards, you need to purchase all the plugins for those separately. So hope you like it, hope you enjoy it. Please hit the like and subscribe button, I really appreciate it. And as I said, stay healthy and see you in the next video.